In a matter of hours, George Santos is due in court. The embattled former New York congressman is expected to plead guilty to felony charges of campaign fraud. He faces 23 counts, including defrauding donors and lying about his finances. Accepting a plea deal means he would avoid a trial set to begin next week. Long Island reporter Chantee has been following this case from the very beginning. She's got details in Central Islip. Chantee?
Well, Sandra, George Santos is expected to plead guilty to at least some of the charges. I've been speaking with him since that bombshell New York Times article came out last December of 2022. Well, today, he said very few words to me, texting, "Stop contacting me." Just days after appearing at federal court in Central Islip for his pretrial hearing, expelled Congressman George Santos is now expected to plead guilty during a hearing at the same courthouse on Monday.
You will not resign?
I will not resign.
Santos has previously pleaded not guilty to 23 felony charges, accusing him of defrauding donors, charging their credit cards, lying about his finances, and illegally accepting unemployment benefits. Santos has admitted to lying about his background and biography during his campaign to represent Nassau County and Queens. But the criminal charges mainly involve money. Two associates, including Santos's former campaign treasurer, Nancy Marks, have pleaded guilty to charges over their role and Santos's alleged fraud. A guilty plea by Santos would avoid a trial that is scheduled to start in nearly 3 weeks. More than 800 potential jurors have already been summoned.
He understands the seriousness of those charges, the fact that he could be facing 20 years in federal prison, and this might be an opportunity for him to avoid jail time or to minimize the amount of time altogether by taking a plea.
And it's not clear which charges George Santos will plead or what sentence will be imposed, but of course, in just a few hours at 3 p.m. during his conference hearing, we'll have more details on what he plans to plead. Live in Central Islip at federal court, Chantee, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.